It's time for some robot action. Drivers behind the line, starting this match in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, this is the final match of the first round of the upper bracket. Looks like we've got some cones and cubes on high for the Blue Alliance and some cubes on high for the Red Alliance. Looks like we got 80-84 attempting to engage the charge station on the red, and they have it. 43-43, looks like they might have tried to engage the charge station, but it didn't quite work out for them. All right, heading into our teleop period, 43-43 MaxTech and 9062 have a little bit of a collision on their respective ways to their loading zones. 43-43 now has appeared to stop moving after that collision. 9062, the 9062 critical circuits attempting to pick up a cone from the double substation shelf. 8884 picks up a cone from them beside them. Coming back to their community, doing a little crash into 2852, trying to place that cone on high, but it falls. And it unfortunately has gotten stuck on a node and hasn't fallen into the hybrid node. 43-43 MaxTech is back on their wheels, and they are making their way across the field into their own loading zone, about to pick up a cone from the single substation, but unfortunately it falls. And a second cone has fallen, but they're going to go through the double station. They're switching from the single. 7480 making a cone on the hybrid. 2852 going to the loading zone, picking up a cube, and they're going to bring it back to their community. 8084 and their robot time sync quickly picks up a cone from the double substation self in the red loading zone, and they're bringing it back to the community. 9062 appears to have stalled a little bit on the field, but they're coming back. 781, the Kinetic Knights, looks like they're playing defense on the Red Alliance, but their 8884 is no match. 8884 grabs another cone off the double substation shelf and brings it back to their community. Running into 781 on the way there. 781 with a cube in their intake, looking to put that on their grid. Looks like they're going to place that high, and they've got it. Beside them, 43-43 MaxTech has a cone in their intake, and they place it on high as well. 20 seconds left in the match. Let's see if we have any special game pieces added to the field. It looks like we have 88-84 and 90-62 looking to do an engage, but 28-52 falls off the charge station with the charge extender in their arm, and it doesn't go. We have 781 and 7480 on a double engage as well. With 0 seconds on the clock, your unofficial scores are 76 for the Blue Alliance and 65 for the Red Alliance. And your scores for round 1, match 4 of the upper bracket are available. This round is going to go to the Blue Alliance with a 98 to 85. This means that Alliance 6 is going to advance to match 8, and Alliance 3 is going to go to the lower bracket, match 6. We'll be back in a few minutes for the first round of the lower bracket, match 5.